Cleaning your disgusting keyboard. Firstly, remove all the keycaps from your keyboard to reveal the horrors waiting below. You can use a keycap puller to help. That works too. Next, brush, pick, scrape, shake, and exercise all that unholy mess out of your germ-ridden keyboard. You can use alcohol to purge the filth that's built up over years of neglect. Sometimes the taint can never be cleansed, and it's better to just buy a new keyboard. Remember to scrub each of those grime-caked keys before replacing them. Provided you didn't lose any keys in the process and replace them in the correct order, you've successfully purified the nightmarish cesspool that was your keyboard. Good job!